There's a town in Switzerland that will hand you $25,000 cash just for showing up and living there. There's a village in Italy that's basically begging people to move in. They'll pay you almost 30,000 euros to do it. And there's a country that will fund your entire business idea, up to $80,000, no equity taken, just for relocating there. I'm not talking about scams. I'm not talking about digital nomad visa clickbait. I'm talking about real government-backed programs that exist right now in 2026, paying real people real money to pack their bags. By the end of this video, you're going to know exactly which countries are doing this, how much they're actually paying, and this is the important part, the catch that almost nobody tells you about. Because yes, there's always a catch. Stick around, because number 4 sounds almost too good to be true, and number 7 is one most people have never even heard of. Let's get into it. Okay, so quick context before we start the list. Countries do this for one simple reason: population decline. Small towns are emptying out, workforces are aging, and governments would rather pay you to move in than watch the whole place become a ghost town. But here's the thing, free money almost never means free money. Some of these come with a minimum stay of 10 years. Some require you to start a business. One of them requires you to be under 40. So I'm going to break down not just the payout, but exactly what they expect from you in return. Let's start with the one that gets the most attention online. 10. Italy, Calabria's villages. You've probably seen the headlines. Italy will pay you to move to a village. Well, it's true, sort of. Several towns in the Calabria region are offering newcomers up to 28,000 to 30,000 euros. That's over $30,000 to move in and start a business. But here's the incomplete part of this story that most videos skip. The money isn't handed to you in one lump sum. It's spread out over several years. And you generally need to be under 40 and commit to living there full time. So is it worth it? That depends on something I'll get to at the very end of this video. A pattern that shows up in almost every single one of these programs. Keep that in the back of your mind. For now, let's go somewhere colder. 9. Switzerland, Albanen. This is the one I mentioned at the top. A tiny village called Albanen, tucked in the Swiss Alps, is losing young residents fast. So they're paying to reverse it. The offer, around $25,000 per adult, plus an extra $10,000 per child if you're bringing a family. Sounds incredible for a country as expensive as Switzerland, right? Well, the catch here is a big one. You need to be under 45, you have to buy or already own a home worth at least $223,000, and you have to commit to living there for 10 years. 10 years, in one small alpine village. That's not a relocation, that's a life decision. So if the payout numbers keep climbing as we go down this list, what happens when we get to the ones that don't ask for 10 years of your life? Let's find out. 8. Spain, rural villages. Spain's version of this is aimed specifically at families. Certain designated rural villages will offer up to 15,000 euros, plus additional payments per child you bring along. This one's interesting because unlike Italy or Switzerland, it's less about entrepreneurship and more about simply repopulating villages with families who enroll kids in the local school and keep the town alive. If you got kids and you've ever fantasized about small-town Spanish life, vineyards, siestas, the whole thing, this is genuinely one of the more approachable programs on this list. But hold that thought, because coming up is a country that isn't paying you cash at all. It's paying for something else entirely. Something a lot more useful if you're trying to actually build wealth abroad. 7. Ireland, vacant property refurbishment grant. Ireland has a housing problem. Thousands of vacant and derelict homes just sitting empty across the country. So their play is different. Instead of cash in your pocket, they'll give you a grant to renovate a vacant or derelict home in exchange for you actually living in it. This isn't a general move here and get money scheme. It's specifically tied to fixing up property. But if you've ever wanted to own a charming, if run-down, Irish cottage without the insane price tag of a move-in ready home, this is how people are doing it. Now, everything so far has been about small towns and villages. But what if you're not looking for a quiet countryside life? What if you actually want to start a real company? There's a country paying serious money for exactly that. 6. Chile, startup Chile. This is, hands down, one of the biggest checks on this entire list. Chile's government-backed program, called Startup Chile, based in Santiago, will give entrepreneurs up to $80,000 in equity-free funding, meaning they don't take a piece of your company for it, plus a 1-year visa to build your business there. There are 3 tiers: build, ignite, and growth, each aim at a different stage of your startup. And on top of the funding, you get access to the Atacama Desert, Patagonia, some of the most stunning landscapes on the planet, as your backdrop while you work. The catch? This one's competitive. You're not just filling out a form, you're pitching a business that has to actually get accepted. So we've done villages, we've done startups. But what about something a lot more stable? A government that's not offering a one-time bonus, but an entire financial pathway. That one's next. 5. Canada Rural and Northern Immigration Pilot. Canada's approach is less flashy, but arguably more valuable long-term, through the Rural and Northern Immigration Pilot. Certain communities offer settlement support worth $5,000 to $15,000 Canadian dollars to help you get established. But the real prize isn't the cash, it's what comes with it. A pathway to permanent residency. Canada is playing the long game here. They're not just handing you a check. They're handing you a shot at becoming a permanent resident of one of the most stable countries on Earth. If immigration is your actual end goal, not just a quick payday, this is one of the smartest programs on the entire list. And speaking of Canada, there's a second Canadian program that almost nobody talks about, and it's aimed at a very specific group of people. For Canada, again, Saskatchewan's Graduate Retention Program. This is the one I teased at the beginning, and I promise it's worth the wait. Saskatchewan, a province most people outside Canada couldn't point on a map, runs a graduate retention program that gives recent university and college grads a tax rebate, essentially returning a chunk of your tuition costs back to you over several years just for staying and working in the province. It's not a flashy lump sum wire transfer. It's smarter than that. It's built into your tax return year after year, quietly making your move worth thousands of dollars over time. This is exactly the kind of program that never makes it into the clickbait lists because it doesn't sound as exciting as $30,000 cash in a thumbnail, but if you're a graduate, this might genuinely be one of the best deals on this list. All right, quick pause. If you're the kind of person who actually wants the real numbers behind these get paid to move headlines, not just a version, because we've still got the UK's teacher program, a New Zealand town most people have never heard of, and 3 entire countries that will basically pay you to teach English. And that last one might honestly be the easiest program on this whole list to actually qualify for. Let's keep going. 3. United Kingdom International Relocation Payment. The UK's immigration system has a reputation for being one of the strictest in the world, except for one glaring exception: teachers. If you're a qualified teacher, specifically in languages or physics, the UK's International Relocation Payment will give you up to £10,000 to relocate and settle in. And it's not limited to London or any single city. This applies across the entire country. So if you've got a teaching background in one of those 2 subjects, this is quietly one of the most accessible programs on this list. No pitch deck, no 10-year commitment, no buy a house in the Alps, just qualifications and a classroom. Now, here's a country most people watching this have probably never even considered. 2. New Zealand Kaitangata. Kaitangata is a small town in New Zealand that's been quietly running housing-linked relocation incentives to attract new residents, similar in spirit to Switzerland's Albanen. Cheap or subsidized housing tied to a commitment to actually settle there. It rarely makes these lists because it's small, it's remote, and frankly most people have never heard the name. But that's exactly why it's worth knowing about. Less competition, less noise, and a genuinely stunning part of the world to call home. And now, the last one, and honestly, it might be the most realistic option for most people watching this video. 1. South Korea, Thailand, and Vietnam teach abroad incentives. These 3 countries take a completely different approach from everyone else on this list. Instead of cash grants or startup funding, they offer something a lot of people can actually access: a job teaching English or other subjects, paired with relocation support, in exchange for moving there. No 10-year residency requirement. No competitive startup pitch. No buying a house worth over $200,000. Just qualifications, a work visa, and a genuine willingness to teach. Out of every program on this list, this might be the one with the lowest barrier to entry, which is exactly why I saved it for last. Okay, remember that thing I asked you to keep in the back of your mind? Here it is. Every single program on this list falls into one of four buckets. Direct cash grants, tax breaks over time, property renovation deals, or job and visa combos. And the loudest, most viral headlines, the $30,000 to move to Italy, are almost always the cash grants. But the cash grants are also the ones with the strictest conditions: age limits, years-long commitments, business requirements. The programs that quietly give you the most long-term value: Canada's residency pathway, Saskatchewan's tax rebate, the teaching visas, rarely go viral because steady tax rebate over 5 years doesn't make for a great thumbnail. So if you're actually serious about one of these, don't just chase the biggest number. Chase the program that fits the life you actually want to build. If this saved you from falling for one of those 20 countries will pay you $50,000 clickbait articles, that's exactly the kind of thing this channel exists for. Cutting to the noise on real information for people who are actually thinking about a bigger move. So hit subscribe, because next up I'm going deep on T's next video topic. And trust me, you don't want to miss it. See you in the next one.